Till now we have seen the Kafka cluster and the role of Zokeeper. But what exactly Zokeeper is doing at each instance? First is the controller election. What is this control? In Kafka cluster, we have a node or a broker which becomes a controller. Who will make him controller? Zokeeper will make him controller. This controller will decide that out of these brokers, who will be the leader and who will be the follower. So the Zokeeper role is to elect this controller. The control is one of the broker and is responsible for maintaining the leader or follower relationship for all the partitions. Made a node shut down. It is the controller that tells other replicas to become partition leader, to replace the partition leader on the node that is going away. So who will elect this controller? Zokeeper will do this. Cluster membership. Zokeeper maintains a list of all the brokers that are functioning and are part of the cluster at any given moment. Here I want to put one thing more. If you are connecting to broker 501 or you are connected to 505, there is no difference for Kafka cluster. If you are connected to one broker, you are connected to whole cluster. Now, what all brokers are there in the cluster? That list is maintained by the Zokeeper. And that is the reason that to whichever broker you connect, you are connected to the cluster because Zokeeper has the whole list with him. Topic configuration. And yes, Zokeeper is responsible for topic configuration. Which topic exists? How many partitions each has? Where are the replicas? On which broker node the replica exists? This is managed and configured by Zokeeper. Who is the preferred leader? What configuration overrides are set for each topic? So all this metadata is also with Zokeeper. Access control list, that is ACL. Who is allowed to read and write to which topic? I again repeat. Who is allowed to read and write to which topic? That is when security will come into the picture. Who will maintain that security, and that security maintenance will be with Zokeeper. That is, it has the metadata. Who is allowed to read to which topic and where it is not. Which consumer group exists, who are the members, and what is the latest offset each group got from each partition. All this information is also with Zokeeper. Quotas. How much data is each client allowed to read and write? And yes, in Kafka we can put a quota that this client can read this much of data. This much of data means this much KB of data, this much MB of data. So that quota is also defined with Zokeeper. Thanks for watching this. Hope you will get a lot of information about the Zokeeper here. In next video, we will talk about Kafka internals and the log directories that we have created. After so much of CLI, what happens to the Kafka logs, and also what Zokeeper is maintaining with it.